Hello, my name is Chishimba Malisawa from Zedcademy, and if you are accessing this course, it means that your application to be a tutor on our platform was successful, and so I have to run you through how you can actually upload courses on Zedcademy website. Okay, so this part that you can see right now is called the dashboard. So as a tutor, you have access to a dashboard. Even students do have access to the dashboard, but it becomes more advanced if you're a tutor, and we allow you to upload your own courses. Okay, so this is your dashboard, as you can see. And so if you want to create a course, you come to this button saying create a course, or you can come on this panel which has posts, media, templates, playlists, and a course. So you're allowed to make all of these alterations. So you can create a post, you can upload media, you can put a template, you can have a playlist. But the purpose of this tutorial is to teach you how you can upload a course. So you can come here and click on new course, or you can come here and click on create a new course. After which you'll be directed to the back end of the website, where you can see this screen and you'll be able to upload the course. So the title for this course, let's say for the purpose of this tutorial, let's say it's trial. Let's say trial 1. This is the name of the course. So under the course will be let's say teaching new tutors how to upload a course. Okay, so first of all, let's just focus on what's on the left, then I'll teach you what's on the right as well, so that you can understand what it entails. Okay, so we go down. This is the description of the course. This is what you want people to see when they actually come to your course and check out what it's about. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to talk about is so first of all, skip all of these, they're not necessary. The name, the custom fields, and everything, you can skip this because it's not very necessary. And then on the author, you can see, so the name of the tutor in this case is Mona Lisa. So this is just something that I made up just to help you to understand how you can come up with a course. So this is the name of our tutor. And when you come down to this part, you notice that maximum number of students, just say 0. So there's no limit if you set it to 0. And the difficult level, mostly is intermediary and beginner levels, or you can say all levels depending on how you gauge your course. So for this course, let's say for beginners. And then for a public course, if you don't want people to pay for this course, that is, if you just want to put it up for free, then you can click here so that they can publicly access it even without logging in. So you can do this for your students. Okay, so that's if it's a free course. So this is the Q&A session. If you want people to be asking you questions on the site, on your platform, here is where you can click. So you come to this part now. So is it a paid course or is it free? So if it's free and you've already done we've already indicated that it's a public course on this part, then you definitely have to put free here. But if you don't want people to access your course for free, then you can come here and say a paid product. So this is the interesting part, because one thing that you have to understand is that we need to assess your course first before you can be able to upload it on the site. So you need to write an email to us and tell us the course that you want to upload, and then we'll help you create a product for that course. So if you've already told us about the course that you want to upload, and you give us a sample, maybe an introduction video, and then we approve of it, then we'll create a product for you. If you don't, then you will not have a product for the course, because these are the products that are already selling on the website. So if you ask us, if you tell us you want to create this course, then we'll go and create your course, and then we'll be able to put it here. So if you try to select these other courses, you'll find that it will say failed. One product cannot be added to multiple courses, because that course already exists when it comes to a different products that we've set up. Okay, so you cannot do that. So the moment that you tell us that you want to create the course, then we'll help you to create the course that you would want to create. Okay, so on this part, then you start creating your new topics. So these are just draft topics. If you want, you can just create something of your own. So you say new topic, and then this is where you upload your courses. So the new topic would be, maybe let's say, an intro, and then you add that topic. So the topic comes on here. So all the other topics have disappeared, so do not focus on the others that were trials. So here you upload a lesson. So now on this part where you get to upload a lesson, you can put in maybe you're saying it's an intro, maybe it's an intro 101. So this is the first intro maybe to your course. And then here this is not very important. Featured product is not very important. So what you have to do here, which is the most important part, is, so this is your video source. So when you click here, you come on YouTube. Okay, so this is something I want to explain, to say, as a tutor on the website, you need to understand that we have a website here, but then we outsource the videos from YouTube. So I'll be able to explain that to you so that you understand. So the source of our videos on the website is YouTube, and this is simple because the site tends to be quicker and the management of the videos is easier. So here you come to this part and then choose YouTube, and here you paste a YouTube link to the video that you're trying to have people view. So let me explain further and teach you how this is done. So you go to YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, so this is our YouTube channel as Zedcademy. You can have a YouTube channel as a tutor. So you might be wondering, to say, if I get videos from my YouTube as a source, then how will I be able to make sure that only the people that have bought my course have access to that course? Okay, so I will teach you all that as we go, and how you can make the course only accessible to people on our platform. Okay, it's very, very simple. So you come to your YouTube, you come to this part where it says, so this is when you have already created a YouTube channel. Okay, so your YouTube has to have a YouTube channel, and it is easy, very, very easy to do. So once you create, so you can watch any video on YouTube of how you can create a YouTube channel. It is very easy. It takes just a few seconds. So once you've created the YouTube channel, so this one already has a YouTube channel attached to it. Okay, so you come here and you upload a video. So it takes you to YouTube Studio where you have videos uploaded. So as you can see on our platform, it's quickly loading. We already have videos, so when you see this, you can drag and drop your files on there. So you can say select files, and as you select files from your computer, then you'll be able to choose which video you upload on YouTube. So the only difference is that you are uploading the videos to YouTube instead of our platform directly. Okay, so you can choose to upload any video of your choice. So in this instance, for example, I'm trying to, let me upload this. This is an advert that I was working on. So you upload this to the YouTube channel, and once you've uploaded this to the YouTube channel, you rename it for your convenience. So on the website, it is intro 101. So this is what you call it. And so on the, you ignore all these things, and then you come here to this video is not made for kids. Okay, so from here, this is the link to the YouTube channel, but I want to show you something before you can get the link. So you go next, you don't do anything on this part, you go next, and again you go next. So YouTube checks for copyright issues, but it doesn't matter to us. So we go next again, until we reach this part. So when you come here, you find these restrictions on YouTube. Okay, so if it's private, the only you and the people you choose can watch the video, and when it's unlisted, then anyone with the video link can watch the video. Then when it's public, then everyone can watch the video. Okay, so you come here on unlisted, so nobody can be able to access this video on YouTube, only you and the people that will be enrolled on the website. So when you say unlisted, and you copy this link, so you said unlisted here, and you also copy this link because this is the link we are looking for, and so we say save. So once we do this, we understand that the video is saved to our YouTube channel. Sometimes it renders, or if you didn't copy the link, then you can copy the link now. Okay, so that's essentially how it's done. So you say okay, so that's it, you close. So you find that you have one video here. So you find that these are videos from our site. So this is your video, for example, and it's unlisted. So you go back to the site, and then you come here and paste the link to your YouTube. So whenever someone is accessing your video, as they watch the video, they will only watch what is showing on YouTube. So then you come here, if you have any documents you attach here, you say upload. You come to your documents library, and then you try to upload. So because you are a new creator, you find that there's nothing in here for you. Here there are some free images that they offer, but most of the times you just upload your own file. So to upload your own file, you just say select files, and then it takes you to a place where you can upload your files. So for example, let me upload my picture, and then you say next. So once all of this it's done, it's already marked to say this is your this is a picture you've chosen, so you say next. Okay, so this is just an example, this is just a file upload. Okay, so if you want, you can cancel it. If you want, you can upload something else, like a file or a document or anything in those lines. So these are Zedcademy terms and conditions. So you can do this, and then it comes over, it loads, and you're able to upload this file. So upload media, and so anybody will be able to access. So this is where you put, if you have anything written down, that's when that's where you can upload it. So here you can write a short description if you want. So this is an intro, for example, and you're able to utilize it. So this is, you update the session. Okay, so you update the session. So this will be session 1. This will be the first video that people see. So there is the success uploaded. Okay, so now you can add a new topic, and you can add as many as you want. So now you can also put some additional data, maybe what we are learning. You put some things here, the target audience, you put your target audience. So these are not necessarily mandatory, but you can just choose to fill them in so that people will have a clearer understanding of what your site is about. So some materials included, you can put in there the duration of your course. If you say maybe your course is, maybe it takes 72 hours to complete, for example, then you say 72 hours, so 3 hours. If it takes 30 more minutes to complete, then you can say 72 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so materials included. So all of these are just your own choice. So if you want, you can include those. So the requirements or other specific instructors that you are trying to put up for the course, that can be done. And this is also one of the most important parts. So you find that this is the part that I talked about. So you go here, drop down. So this is the intro course video, so the video that people see even without buying. I'm sure you've navigated the website and seen that there are certain courses, there are certain intro videos that you see for every course before you can actually buy that course. So here you go here, and then you say YouTube, like we did, and then you paste the link. So I'll give an example of the same video that I created. So let it be the intro. the intro video that you want people to see. So this is just for the sake of the explanation. So this is the intro video that people will see when they access your course. So you come here and you paste the link right here like that. So this is the link to the course that you want people to see when they just come onto your site. So because of this, so for intro videos, I want you to notice something. So we can go here and try to edit the course. So for an intro video, you have to include a thumbnail. Okay, a thumbnail is the image that people will see. So for example, to gain access to this feature, you have to verify your YouTube account, but that's not important for the moment. I just wanted to tell you to say, if you want a picture to appear, for example, so we have, let's go on Zedcademy. We go on Zedcademy, and I just want to show you how the intro video appears for some courses. So let's say we have a course like let's go with web development, the one by Shepa. We can choose this one or this one. Let's go with this one. When we say okay, let's start learning. Okay, so when you come here, yes, so this is the intro video that I was talking about. So when you come here, you click here and it starts to play this way. So this is the intro before someone can actually buy your course. So this is an example of the intro video that I was talking about. So if you want to have the same thumbnail, the same image that appears before someone opens the video, this is where you place that thumbnail. Okay, so if you place the thumbnail here, then it will be able to appear. So what happens here is, before you are allowed to put the thumbnail here, YouTube has to verify your account. Okay, so just put a phone number and they will allow you to actually place the thumbnail here. Okay, so yeah, so that's how it is. And then the other thing that I wanted to talk about, or maybe we can just go ahead and verify. Maybe we can just go ahead and verify the YouTube phone number, so that people at least have an idea. So we can say here, this is Zambia. Okay, and then you put your phone number. So let's say 0978 90 70 95. So this is my phone number. Okay, so YouTube actually sends the number to, okay, so they're saying this number is associated to too many channels, because I have about 3 YouTube channels. So you can try my MTN number. Okay, so it's been accepted through, and so I've received a message here. So they've sent me a confirmation code that I need to fill in. So 40 53 29. So this is me submitting. So the phone number has been verified, and so I can actually go back to my YouTube, refresh it, and I'll be able to then operate my YouTube channel. Okay, so that is how it is. So I wanted just to show you how you can put the thumbnail, but the thumbnail will be done for you by us as Zedcademy. We are going to design the thumbnail for you, so that you are able to upload it yourself. So once we send you the thumbnail to say this is where you're going to put it, so you place it here. So for example, I just want to show you an example. I come here and I'm trying to place a thumbnail on there, so that when people access the course, at least they find it easier for them to navigate through. So let me just use any of my thumbnails. This is the personal branding thumbnail that I created. So we say next, and then you're able to see the YouTube the thumbnail here. Okay, so I'll click on save, because I'm putting the thumbnail here because we use the same intro video as the one which is inside your lessons. Okay, so here it is, and we've already pasted the link here, so the thumbnail will appear automatically. So this is what we've managed to fill in. So now you go up, and then here this is where you click publish when everything is done. And you can also add a featured image here. So this is the image that will be appearing when someone wants to access your course. So for the sake of this, I'll just put the picture that we uploaded earlier, and you find that it is right here. So wherever you want to access the course interiorly, this is what you find. So for the entire course, this is the featured image that will be that people will be seeing when they're actually accessing the course. Okay, so for the tags on the website and everything, we are the ones that design, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so have a good featured image here of yourself so that we are able to associate the course with you. Okay, so this is how it's done. So this is how it's done. Here you can put a category. We are not done yet putting some categories here. So you can put depending on where it fits. So you can say this is an information technology or this is a digital skill, but this is not very important. Okay, so that's it. You ignore everything else. So like I said, you only fill in the trial part, the name of the course. You fill in a little bit of the details here, and you ignore these fields. Here on the author, it's you are the owner of the course, so it will automatically be you here, so you don't have to do anything. Maximum number of students is 0, so that you allow people to access, unless of course you don't want to have many students accessing your course. But if you do want a lot of students, then you leave it to 0 so that whatever number can actually access your course. So the difficulty level here is beginner, or you can choose expert, intermediate, depending on how tricky your course is. Is it a public course? Can anybody access it? So this is only marked, you only click here when the course is free. Okay, so since the course is paid, you don't. Okay, so here you also find the product. Like I said, you'll not be able to select the product unless of course you've talked to us and we have created a course for you. Okay, so that is the only way that you're able to add that's the only way that you're able to add a course right here. Okay, so only if you have told us about your course will it be able to show here to say, okay, this is how the course will be. Okay, so I've gone ahead and made a product for you so that at least we are able to understand what I was talking about. So once you apply, let us know the course that you want to offer on the website. Once we check out a demo video of it, then we approve. I'm going to create a product for you. You let me know the amount you want to set, and then we'll be all done. So here I've already created the product for this course, which is trial 1. So it appears because I've created it at my actual administrative backend. So now you set it to say this is trial 1 product. So this is the product that you're selling. Okay, and I've set this product as at 100 kwacha. So you need to let me know the pricing that you intend to also add on the website. So from here, then we have to create a product, which we've already done, and then from here you can click on this page called update. So this button called update. So from here you find that the course has been updated, and it still takes you here for you to be able to choose what you want to upload. Okay, so once all of this is done, you can go on this button and click on view course. So everything here is nicely and wonderfully done. You can just refresh so that you achieve a better display of the thumbnail. So as you can see, everything works well. We can see the intro as the video that we set earlier. So I was creating this video for a client. So this is the buy now button for 100 kwacha. So the total people enrolled, this is a beginner level, the number of hours, the duration. This is a course by Mona Lisa. So this is the this is the person, and so when someone clicks here, it's going to take them now to a place where they'll be able to see your profile. Okay, so on your profile, make sure you put on some very interesting things about yourself, your qualifications, etc. Okay, so this is the video that they'll be able to check, which was in the lessons panel. So the only person that can be able to check this video, as you can see, is locked. So the only person that will be able to check out this video is a person who has paid for the course. Okay, so others will only end here unless they click here on buy now, and then they'll be able to be redirected to a place where they can now purchase your course. Okay, so I hope this is simple and easy for you guys to do, hopefully. Okay, so this is how the website looks like, okay, from the back end. So you can go here to edit the course, so you'll be able to see everything now, to how the course is going, and you'll be able to check how many people are enrolled into your course, and depending on the number of people that are enrolled into your course, those are the fees or funds that you expect yourself to have. Okay, so this is a simple way of doing things. So make sure that as you are on YouTube, you upload as many videos as possible, get the links and paste them onto the website. So this is the thumbnail where we placed it, and yeah, so if you want, you can set this as the thumbnail. So they pick out some parts of the video which look like thumbnail, so you can set this part as a thumbnail, and when you save that part, then you find that as you go on the site and view the course, you find that the thumbnail is set to something different. Okay, so there it is. So you can see that the thumbnail has been changed. Okay, so these are some of the important aspects of being a tutor on Zedcademy. Okay, so you can go here to this part which we got. You go to your dashboard, and then you see that it has been updated. So this is your dashboard. This is a total number of courses. You see your earnings here as a tutor, and you'll be able to add your withdrawal charges here as a tutor. So here you can add your withdrawal details as to how you want the funds to be sent to you. Okay, so this is essentially how everything has been designed, and I hope that it is simple enough for all of us to actually understand what goes on the site. So if you have any challenges, remember to get in touch with us through the email address which we're using to interact with you. All right, so thank you so much, and your questions, all questions and clarifications, kindly direct them to us through the same email address, or you can actually reach out to us on WhatsApp. So you find that on the home screen of our website, there's a part where we've added our contact detail, which you can actually use. So here, having trouble, contact or WhatsApp this number or our email address which you already have access to. Okay, so this is essentially how it is. You can also sign up to upload your books. That's also something that's very acceptable on our website. Okay, so from me, Chishimba, I hope that you've managed to understand what the site is about. So thank you so much.